Our planet, full of incredible natural wonders, is facing a growing crisis with dramatic changes impacting the way we use and produce energy. But now, some creative ingenuity is offering unique solutions, like this, a home that needs no fuel, powered entirely by the sun. It's called an Earthship and could be one key tool to navigating environmental change. Deborah Binder is Executive Director of Biotecture Planet Earth. So Deborah, I'm curious, what is an Earthship?
So it's like a vessel, but instead of being in the water, it's actually on the planet. You have to have enough power to get it going, drinking water, food, et cetera, et cetera. It's a home that takes care of you, but on Earth.
From drought in Malawi to typhoons in the Philippines, Earthships like these are providing shelter, food, and relief from natural disasters.
We did a project in the Philippines. The people that were in there during that typhoon, they just went to sleep and said they didn't even notice anything, while everything else around them was pretty much destroyed.
Scores of Earthships are launched from here in Taos, New Mexico. Earthship headquarters, private homes, others Airbnbs, and where folks learn to build their own Earthships or volunteer for projects like the one here in Puerto Rico. Battered by Hurricane Maria in 2017 and a series of devastating earthquakes in 2020, Puerto Rico has been facing its own climate crisis.
We had to walk to the river and get buckets of water to just flush the toilets. We had to boil our water from the river just to, drink and cook.
Carlos Chaparro owns this Earthship near Aguado, Puerto Rico, provided to his family after they survived Hurricane Maria. It looks like it's straight out of Star Wars.
Well, they chose domes. Domes are one of the strongest forms. They're more aerodynamic, wind resistant. These things are also resistant to earthquakes and hurricanes. This is what the island of Puerto Rico needs, is just more thought behind the construction.
While he doesn't live in it, he's got much bigger plans.
We're gonna make a community center out of it, where each room has its purpose. We're gonna have an energy room, a small visitor center, a music room, an art room, and a media room.
A special place to power and to empower this community, and a vision to inspire others who also face nature's wrath. So if there's another hurricane or something like that, you see this as kind of being a community center where people could come, get some relief, charge their phones, do get certain service.
We're here to help. We're here to give what we were given.
And guys, Project Biotecture is looking at developing something in Kentucky to try to develop tornado-resistant homes using this same model. So it's something to look forward to. And a lot of folks here in Puerto Rico, they're just signing up these microgrids so that the last thing that they're going to see is a bill from the electric company.
Wow.
Instead, they're going to be using the sun. Also, we want to thank the folks here at the Ritz-Carlton Dorado Beach Reserve for helping us do this. I decided to pull a full Kerry Sanders. I'm not wearing pants.
What?
Whoa.
Oh, that's not true. You got shorts. We rarely see Roker in shorts.
Off-white, a little
Look at
linen.
you.
He is feeling good right
Tiki
now.
torches and all.
Al is going back on vacation.
Living his best life. We'll see you here on Monday.
But I'll see you
Great-
Monday.
See you
Great
Monday.
story.
You bet.
Oh, thank you, Al.